Hi, today I'm producing ZTE AXON 20 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's first get the Ampere application from the Play Store. That's why in the search bar enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes and agree, pick close, and tap on the left down corner to OK. Here we can see information about our battery temperature. In my case, that's 33 and 4 degrees. Also, we can find here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.